How to disassembly a system unit. Step 1. Open the system unit case. Remove the screws at the back of the system unit. Slide or lift the side panel to open the case. Step 2. Next, remove the power supply cables. Carefully unplug all power cables connected to the motherboard, hard drive, and other components. Step 3. Remove the motherboard. Unscrew all the screw and remove the motherboard carefully. Step 4. Remove the case fan. Remove the case fan screws carefully, then remove. Step 5. Remove the storage devices. Unscrew the hard drive or SSD from its bay. Then remove the storage device. Step 6. Remove the CMOS battery and RAM. Gently squeeze the CMOS battery holder until the battery pops up, then remove it. Push the RAM slot clips outward. The RAM will rise, then pull it. How to assemble a system unit. Step 1. Install the RAM and CMOS battery. Step 2. Install the motherboard. Place the motherboard inside the case and align it with the screw holes. Secure it using screws. Step 3. Install storage devices. Insert the hard drive or SSD into the drive bay. Step 4. Install the case fan. Replace all 4 screws and keep them. Step 5. Install the power supply. Place the power supply into its position. Screw it in place. Then connect all necessary power cables. Step 6. Cable management and closing the case. Arrange the cables neatly for better airflow. Close the side panel and tighten the screws. That's all. Thank you for watching.